Hey, it's Ranger 374 coming to you from the Bass Cave. Hope everybody's doing well. Couple updates for me. I haven't been around. Hope you watch that Bagley's video, the last one. That's a good video that didn't get as many views as I thought. But anyway, go check it out. It was Pop's old Bagley box and it's pretty cool. Besides that, I got a Tackle Warehouse unboxing. MTB Replacement. The money I would have spent on Mystery Tackle Box, just buy what I want on Tackle Warehouse. So that's how that goes. It's October, favorite month of the year. It's Halloween. Not because of breast cancer month, which is what the pink Dobbins hat's for. My neighbor survived breast cancer, so I stick up for her all the time. But anyway, like I said, MTB unboxing replacement. I didn't get a lot on these replacements, you know, because it's just a replacement for MTB. But anyway, I'll get into it. Some pretty cool stuff. Z-Man. I got some of these bang sticks. I don't have these, and they're kind of like a Senko. And I'm gonna check these out. Got these in the mood ring color, kind of a purple deal. I don't know how this freaking glare is gonna be. Can't get the glare straightened out yet, but anyway, it's purple and black basically, which, you know, two cool colors for me. And they're like a Senko, just got the little tails on the end. And I got a pack of them. Got 2 packs of these from 6 cents. They are the Jungle Minnow, just a little, you know, looks like 3-4 inch minnow. Let me pull one out. I'm gonna use them on a jig head and probably as a trailer, but just a little 3-inch deal. Not a big, be a good little trailer. Probably on that Mini Max chatterbait, not the big one, but got them in 2 colors, and one is Minnow Juice, which is that one I just showed you, Minnow Juice, or it's like more of a shad. This is a 4K shad color. And I got that crankbait color also. It's a cool crankbait color. That looks pretty cool, man. Good little trailer. Check it out. Or put it on a jig head. I don't use forward facing sonar. I'm old school. If anybody watched me for any amount of time, I'm just, you know, I ain't into it. My buddy Doc, who I know is watching, who never comments. Hey Doc, what's up? Take me fishing. He's got 360, the Humminbird 360. That thing's cool. I like the 360. Of course, I love side finding, but the side find, you know, view. But that's about it. Then I got this one. It's from Cumberland Lures. It's one that's, you know, they'll call them a chicken jig. I don't know what a prayer. This one's called a prayer jig on the back of this one. But I've been watching these probably for 2 years. Mostly it's Mikey Balls on here. Shout out to Mikey Balls. But he throws these jigs a lot, and I think he throws a Gambler one. And I looked for some. They're not as available as I thought they would be. But anyway, I got a couple. Got a couple on eBay from somebody else, and I can't remember. This color is Holy Smoke, and it's 5/8 of an ounce. I'm gonna try her out, learn how to fish it a little bit. Never have. I got, you know, the free sticker for spending, you know, how many X millions of dollars with them. And I got another one of the jig. This one was from 6 cents. And it is the flock hair jig. I think it's a 5/8 ounce also. Yeah, shad ice. Shad ice is the color. Anyway, I'll blow through these, get these out of the way. Nothing special. Like I said, I'll make this too long. I got some chunky D's. These are great little baits, whether a trailer bait, fish it by yourself, Texas rig it, flip it. That's in the Magic Crawl Swirl. Cool color. Everyone's probably seen that color, so. And I had a couple more things, but I got the Riot baits. I forgot what this thing's called. The Vigilante. Riot baits Vigilante. It's another creature bait. And it's kind of that green pumpkin, black, yeah, it's a green pumpkin on one side, black and blue on the other. Cool little bait. You know me, baby brush hog's my creature bait, so I fish them all, but Zoom baby brush hog's #1. So I'll check that one out though. I got another one too. Checking out some of these other ones. Saw this on Debo's channel. Shout out to Debo. Go check Debo out. He's cool, man. From G-Rat Baits. It's a Dixie flip. Like I said, I saw this on his channel, and I'm gonna give it a shot. Do some punching through some grass down the Potomac next year. Not this year, obviously. It's middle of October. It's been 80 degrees and 40 degrees, and it can't make its mind up. It's supposed to be 78 today, and I'm going out to work on the boat. But I'll give that one a shot when I hit some grass. I got a couple hard baits. Yes, and like I said, I'm not a forward-facing fisherman at all, but I watched a video on this Berkeley Credge. I only got one so far. I'm gonna try it out. This is in the Hanky Panky. I assume that's the Hank Parker color. Hanky Panky, get it? But anyway, watch a video on this thing underwater, and it goes backwards. When you stop it, it sinks backwards. So that's a cool concept. They used to have the flying lure back in the early 90s, and that's exactly what it did. But with the jerk bait, I gotta give it a shot and see what happens. It goes backwards when you stop it. That's pretty darn cool. I gotta check it out. This one, I've seen a lot of these around. It's the head and spinning image. I just got it because I like the Whopper Plopper also. Give this one a shot. It's bone. No big deal. Straight up. Don't even know how heavy they are, but I'm guessing at least a ½ ounce. I don't see the size of it. But anyway, bone color, bone or chrome, you know, fish them. And two more things. I may get to use these, but depends on how cold it gets. End of the month here. Zoom Scum Frogs. I had a couple of these, and they worked pretty good. Unfortunately, they got kind of tore up, so bought two more. Just black and white one. That's all you need to start with if you're frog fishing. Start with them two. These launch frogs were pretty good. They were on sale. That's mostly why I got these two. But Dusk and Boneyard, those are the two colors. Can't beat them. Black and white, that's all you need. Go out and buy two. Anyhow, that's it. Hope everybody's out catching fish. It's on. Fall bites on, and it's time to go. And if you've hung around this long, I'm going to shoot a little picture. I think I'll put the picture at the beginning, but I got 5 more boxes of Tackle Warehouse. My pops, he's in the hospital. He's been in there for 2 months, so I've been kind of buying too much. So I got like 5 more boxes of Tackle Warehouse. Unfortunately, you know, got a parent going into long-term care. Don't know what's going to happen, but, you know, I'm keeping a positive outlook. That's all you can do. It's crazy. People get older. I'm getting older. Now I realize how old I am. So, anyway, prayers out for him, and from then on, hopefully you catch some fish this month. Let me know what you're doing. Anybody that's hung around this long, give you a sneak peek. I finally got Pop Skeeter on the its new trailer, its new spot. It's not a new trailer. It's but it's the trailer it needs to be on, and not the old roller trailer. I'll shoot some piece of it on the trailer. Gonna start working on it. Got a trolling motor for it, the original Mercury that was on it. So we're going OG on the boat. We're keeping it same. Tower Power Outboard's the next one, which will be Lord knows when, but I'll find one, and we'll get her on there. Anyhow, it's Ranger 374, and I'm out. Well, there she is. There's the blue bug Pop Skeeter sitting on the new trailer. It's actually got working lights on it. New winch. Got mostly new rollers on it. Hopefully won't need them, but it's an old Venture trailer. It's in pretty good shape. Probably get some new wheels for it. Get the fenders painted up or changed, one of the two, but I gotta do some adjustments on it. It's hanging off. Needs to back up a little bit, but overall the lights work on it. It's all good. So we'll get her together this spring and get her straight. Get some motors on her. She'll be good. The old other one's sitting back there, you can see it. But that's it. She'll be good to go. Go around. New tongue jack. She's good to go. So get her ready to roll. Get rid of the old junk sitting over there. That's the old trailer. But we'll be ready to rock. We get some power on her. Alright, Ranger 374, I'm out.